Well, hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. You join us today for the fourth part of our motorcycle tour of British Columbia and Alberta. We'd had a really good time yesterday exploring Revelstoke. Now, with the Suzuki's chain fixed, we're keen to move on toward the Rocky Mountains. Our plan for the next couple of days is to ride through the Glacier National Park to Golden, then ride south to an overnight stay at Radium Hot Springs. From there, we'll ride north through the Kootenay National Park to our hotel in Banff at the foot of Cascade Mountain. After a good breakfast, we packed the bikes ready to go. The weather didn't look great this morning at all. After yesterday's sunshine, the sky was grey and heavy with rain clouds. It was noticeably colder too. We rode out to Revelstoke and joined the Trans-Canada Highway. Because of the strong chance of rain, we decided not to use the GoPro Medium mods to record our conversations, as the microphone connections are not waterproof. It wasn't long before the drizzle turned to cold, driving rain. There's nothing much you can do about the weather. If you're going to ride in the mountains, there's a strong possibility that you're going to get wet. Bring waterproofs. While it might be disappointing to ride through such a scenic area and not see much for the rain and low-lying cloud, what we did see was hugely dramatic. Dark, imposing mountains, shrouded in mist, their lower slopes draped with almost impenetrable forests of tall fir trees, and winding through them all, turquoise rivers swelled by melting snow. It might not have been a picture postcard, but it did have a beauty all of its own. After about an hour of riding, we'd reached Rogers Pass at the summit of Mount Macdonald in the Glacier National Park. Avalanches are common here during the winter months. Parks Canada operate the world's largest mobile avalanche control program to keep the road and railway through Rogers Pass open through the winter. The Royal Canadian Artillery regularly use 105mm howitzers to knock down unstable snow under controlled conditions. The temperature dropped below 6 degrees, so we pulled into the rest area to dry off and warm up. It's a good job we did, as later in the day the temperature dropped to 2 degrees and the rain changed to sleet and snow. In an effort to keep warm, we added a couple of extra layers of clothes and dried our gloves with the hand dryers. The rain got worse, so much so that we decided not to use the cameras, as it was impossible to keep the lenses clear of rain. We rode on through heavy rain to Golden, where we stopped to fuel up the bikes and grab a quick lunch of bread and hot soup from Tim Hortons. I'm pretty sure we both left puddles on the floor. Finally, the rain started to ease, so we pulled into a lay-by and turned on the cameras. Finally, we reached Radium and made our way to our hotel on the golf course. No Scotty dogs. Where are you going? Oh, don't bother pulling that or anything. Oh, Christ. We checked in, unpacked the bags and settled into our room.
Well, just thought I'd show you this amazing condo we've got for one night only. There's the bed. Walk-in shower. It's great, isn't it? A useful kitchenette, which seems to be a bit of a thing in Canada, doesn't it, Ian? Rooms, rooms just seem to have kitchenettes. And here we have the all-important nerd. Sit down, nerd. Nerd. setting up the nerd centre. Yeah. There you go. Beautiful room. Beautiful room at Bighorn Meadows, Radium Hot Springs. Right, let's enjoy it.
Come the fuck on, Bridget. Next morning, we were up early to pack the bikes. So here we are at Radium Hot Springs. Spent the evening in this lovely, lovely place. Really nice, wasn't it?
Yeah, great condo.
Absolutely. Had a kettle and everything.
Yeah, but we didn't find the kettle until then.
Never found it until this morning, yeah. Yeah. So today's plans are to ride to Banff and hopefully maybe taking Lake Louise. It just depends on how the weather goes. It was pissing down with rain last night and it's dry this morning. It's still quite cold. So we'll just see how it goes. The weather's inclement. The roads
are dry
pretty much dry. So, hey, let's go. We decided to skip breakfast and head off before the rain started. Righty. Our ride to Banff was only 150 miles, so we figured we'd find something to eat along the way. Out through the golf course? How about a couple of quick holes?
You bet. You wish.
Morning. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Radium Hot Springs.
Leaving Radium Hot Springs.
How do we... I'm in the middle of the road here, aren't I?
Oh, hang on. Yeah.
Oh no, it's a stop in the middle, isn't it? Yeah, that's alright, right. And then we're going to turn left here. That, and then the roundabout to Banff, yeah, 93. There we are. Pub. Yeah, Radium Hot Springs, that's the cannabis store.
Yeah.
And the steak shop that doesn't really sell very much steak.
But the burger was lovely.
It was very good.
Very tasty.
Right, remove the nozzle. Select 91. And away we go. Check.
My petrol gauge hasn't gone up.
I will in a second once.
Will it? Okay. Just watch that car.
In hell. Go on, you go. I'm not quite sure what happened here, and I certainly didn't expect the driver to turn across my path. Oh well, nothing got broken. Kootenay National Park of Canada.
Okay.
Purchase a park pass. All visitors stopping. Our route takes us into the Kootenay National Park, so we'll need a park pass to enter. Especially going through here, look at this.
Oh yeah, that's amazing. Wow. going through a canyon.
Yeah. Oh, I see. Has she gone? Oh no. Got my fingers on the beeper.
Oh. Okay.
So it would be $42.
Okay, that's cool.
Can I give you some of it? I got loads of this
We need
blessed
to
stuff.
start spending the dollars.
Is that alright? Oh, thank you very much. She's gone. Right.
Was there a canyon or something at the beginning of the... So this is it, yeah, the canyon.
Somebody's passed, yeah. It does remind me of New Zealand. Remember that road that we went from to visit the school? We were with the deputy head and she drove us to school.
With Joe?
With Joe, yeah. Down, like followed the river, didn't it?
Yeah, she had an amazing commute into work.
Absolutely, yeah. That was where the lemonade bottle was.
Oh, yeah. Paroa.
Paroa, yeah, in New Zealand, yeah. No cellular service for the next 105 kilometres.
60 miles. Could have snow on those mountain tops.
Oh God, yeah.
Oh, look at that here.
It doesn't hold that much hope for breakfast though if there's no cellular service for the next 100 kilometres.
Yeah, glad I had a banana. I think I might have a couple of Nutri-bars in the back somewhere. If it gets that bad. Yeah. Oh, look at the mist rising behind those trees.
Yeah. Do not feed or approach bears.
No, don't worry, we won't.
Yeah, I don't need asking.
Don't need telling. We've done the research, we've seen the videos.
A fed bear is a dead bear, that's what they say.
Oh.
Be nice to see some wildlife, wouldn't it?
You know, if I saw a bear, that would be it, you know.
Yeah.
We could go home.
Yeah. No.
A spot on my visor.
Alright, spots are alright.
As long as they stay as spots, that would be good.
Little lake there,
Oh,
look.
yeah.
Well, Olive Lake.
Lac Olive. I think it's going to rain.
Yeah, I think we probably need to stop and change that. Quickly do the cameras.
Yeah.
Here.
Yep. Oh, cool. Coolio.
With the rain worsening, we pulled over to disconnect the microphones. Right.
Let's prepare.
Prepare before we get soaked. The weather continued to worsen with every mile. Driving rain and temperatures dropping as low as 2 degrees. Both of the bikes were showing ice warning lights. cold and hungry, we pulled into a rest area to hopefully get some lunch. It's open. Whatever it is, it's open. And it's got to be worth a stop for 5 minutes on it, yeah. Especially if you can get a cup of coffee and it's on a sandwich or something. Bit of brekkie. Dry them off. Oh, coffee souvenirs, there you go. What do you think? I think so, yeah. Sadly, the best they could manage was lukewarm coffee, a Snickers bar and a bag of crisps. Oh, here we are, about a third of the way to Banff, and it is absolutely pissing down. We can't really see very much because of the mist, and it is tanking down. So, plans have changed. Likely probably not going to ride to Lake Louise today. We're probably going to do that tomorrow. And we will head straight into Banff and get all this wet gear off and get into the hotel and get warm. So, we'll see you there. The rain was turning to sleet, so we decided to give up on the cameras and make a dash for our hotel in Banff. Yep, pretty miserable day. We arrived in Banff cold and wet and quickly found our hotel. It was 2 hours before the normal check-in time. However, the hotel staff found us a room and we settled in to get changed and warm up. A little later that afternoon the rain stopped and we headed out for a walk into town to finally get some food. We found a little Japanese place that did great noodles. So we finally managed to get here in Banff, despite it pissing down all the way and the temperature dropping to 2 degrees and ice warnings on the bikes. However, the rain stopped now and it looks great. Let's go. Fed and watered, we took a 1-mile walk along the Bow River Trail to see the waterfalls. It was pretty amazing. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you've enjoyed it, please leave us a like or a comment and consider subscribing to our channel for more.
Goodbye.